What's up, everybody? How's it going? My name's Chris Trujillo. I'm going to show you in this video how to create a project utilizing one of the templates that we already have in place. Now, in the last video, we showed you how to create a blank website. So our welcome screen has gone away. This is what it now looks like. We can see a little design of our project that we created previously. And then you'll notice on the left-hand side, you'll see the new project button. I'm just going to go ahead and click that. And we're given all of our various different templates that are in here. We've got pre-sale pages and promotional sites that can be used, all different styles. Let's say we want to search for a specific template. I'm going to click on Find Template. I'm going to type in skin. We want to do a skin design. I've got some pre-sale skin pages. I've got one skin promotional page. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. I can do a live preview of this. This will just let me see what all the pages are that are inside of this particular project. All right. Or I can just take a quick read. Here's some bullet points on what this project has in it. Mobile and desktop design, trial checkout pages. It's fully tokenized and full wizard integration. Now, some of the designs have a wizard, a step-by-step wizard to get you all set up. Other designs do not have that, and we'll show you in another video how to integrate your sites. Let's say we want to select this. It's going to build it out into our account and take us directly to, in this instance, the wizard, or directly to the project dashboard. Now I can go through the process of filling out these, the wizard. These are just basically pre-filling in the tokens that exist currently. We want the brand name. We'll just type in new project. Or I'll say new brand name. I can type in my phone number, 888. And then I can do the CRM setup here if I want. I don't have any CRM plugins currently active on this one. Oh, looks like I might actually have them. So we can set up our CRM plugins on here, and then we hit finish. And we're ready to actually just jump straight into the design. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that design button. Now this is a template that has obviously already been created for us. Everything is already here, and this is fully editable just like we would with our blank design. We can click on any of this font. Let's say we want to change visibly younger looking skin. We want to change this to visibly older looking skin. There you go, I can change that. Let's say I want to update this icon. I'm going to double click it. I'm going to find my icon bottle, or my bottle that I want to use. I'm going to drag it in there. I'll use my regular template. And same deal, I want to shrink this to be the right size. And then this bottle in particular, because of the shape of the bottle is way different than that square, I'm going to actually use the margin settings. I'm going to bump this over to the right a little bit. Now every template is going to have a little bit different settings that you're going to need. Wow, this one's going to go way far over. There we go. So if we had our bottle, it would insert it right there for us. We have that same bottle image in a couple different spots. Here it is right here. Here it is down here. What I want to do here is I'm going to show you one trick for these templates that kind of makes editing bulk edits to the bottle images a little bit easier. I need the URL for this image, so I'm going to click on this. I'm going to hit the icon, that's the square with the pencil. This will give me the URL for that particular image. I'm going to copy this. I'm actually just going to open it up into a text program. There it is. I'm going to extend this off the screen just a little bit so I can grab it easily. All right. I'm going to hit cancel here. Now I need the bottle image, the other bottle image. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to get that URL. Perfect. All right. Now I'm going to go into our full HTML editor, which is the open and close caret. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to hit, you'll see inside of this HTML editor, we have up at the very top, you'll have the magnifying glass, and then you have the magnifying glass with the two arrows. The one with the two arrows, this is a find icon, or find and replace icon. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. I'm going to paste in our existing bottle image, the one that we don't want to have on the page, and hit enter. and then it's going to replace it with, and I'm going to come over here, I'm going to highlight the good bottle, paste it there. I'm going to hit enter. And then these say replace, next, all, or cancel. I want to replace all of those bottle images. And then I'm going to hit apply. Now if you notice, when we scroll down, our bottle image has been replaced. Now you'll see this is obviously not the right size. I can click this, size it properly for the location. Use my margin settings to bump it over. Let's go back a little bit. There we go. Same with our bottom image here. There you go. Okay. Let's bump it over. We'll go 150. Maybe we want it a little bit bigger. I'm gonna get rid of some of this margin. I'll turn this to 15. Pull it up. Shrink that down. Perfect. There you go. There's our bottle image. And then down at the very bottom, whoa, that's huge. Click. Make it smaller. And bump it over. There you go. So now we've updated all the images, and that's a quick find and replace to update all your images for this particular project. Now let's say, let me save this. Let's take a look at the other pages that we have in here. So it looks like we also have a mobile page in particular for this project. You can do the same thing with all these bottle images to update them. Same thing with your logo. But one of the things we want to do is on this index page, let's say we want to do a GeoRedirect or a mobile redirect. I'm going to hit the icon on the right, or sorry, I'm going to hit the icon on the left-hand side that has the arrows, one going up, one going down. I want to do a desktop redirect. So, or sorry, a mobile redirect, redirect mobile. If mobile traffic comes into this desktop page, I can either send to another project, another page, or an external URL. I'm going to do another page, and I'm going to take mobile traffic to the M index page. Now let's say we are also getting a lot of, let's say this is a US based page, we're getting a lot of Canadian traffic. I can add a geo redirect. I can select the country, I can find Canada. Canada. And then I want to redirect Canada. I can either redirect it to a specific Canadian page that I have or an external URL. And what I would do is if I'm placing this with a traffic network, I would get a Canadian offer for the same vertical, in this it's skin, and I'd place the URL right here so that I can continue to get paid when Canadian traffic comes to my landing page. That's just a nice little trick to recoup a little bit of that money you might lose if you're paying a CPL for any of your traffic. And that's it for designing a page from a template. It's really quick, really easy. These templates are fully customizable, and they're already set for you to just come in, really just change the bottles, the logo, adjust your tokens. Let's actually take a look at the tokens. I'm going to publish this, and we'll see what is there. You just want to go in, change all of those assets that are already here. Campaign ID, this is for CRM integration, things like that. Brand name, phone number, customer support email, so on and so forth. That is it for creating a project with a template. Stay around for the next video. We're going to show you how to import an existing design.